Once upon a time, in a sunny savannah, lived a tiny mongoose named Mongo. Mongo was a curious little creature, always eager to explore the world around him. One day, Mongo decided to venture far beyond his burrow. He saw a butterfly fluttering in the distance and thought, "I must catch that beautiful creature." Mongo ran as fast as his little legs could carry him. He followed the butterfly through the tall grass, over small hills, and across a sparkling stream. The butterfly led Mongo to a mysterious forest. The trees were so tall, they touched the sky, and the ground was covered in soft, green moss. Mongo had never seen anything so beautiful. Suddenly, Mongo heard a strange noise. It sounded like a low growl. He turned around and saw a big, scary snake slithering towards him. "Oh no," cried Mongo, "I'm scared." But Mongo remembered something his mother once told him: courage is not the absence of fear, but the choice to face it. He took a deep breath and prepared to face the snake. Mongo stood his ground, and to his surprise, the snake stopped. It raised its head and said, "I'm not here to harm you, little one. I've been losing my way in this forest. Can you help me find the exit?" Mongo, being a kind and helpful mongoose, agreed to help the snake. Together, they navigated through the forest and eventually found the exit. Mongo returned home, tired but happy. He had faced his fear and helped a friend in need. From that day on, Mongo was no longer just a curious mongoose, he was a brave and helpful hero. And every time Mongo saw a butterfly, he would remember his adventure and the lesson he had learned. Courage isn't about being fearless, it's about facing your fears and helping others along the way. The end.